Hey everyone, what's up? How great would it be to easily drive more traffic to your website with an ad? Boosting in Meta Business Suite is the way to do it. Meta Business Suite is a single destination that simplifies the complete process of building and managing your Facebook and Instagram presence. The tools in Meta Business Suite allow you to create an ad that can link directly to your business website. And when people click your ad, they'll be directed to a web address that you choose. This can be the main web page for your business, a specific product page on your site, or a third-party website with more information about your business. You decide where you want to drive traffic in order to meet your business goal. Meta Business Suite truly offers an end-to-end solution with a simplistic and user-friendly creation flow. I know because I'm currently running an ad driving to my social media management starter kit, which is a free lead magnet to build my email list. I've only spent about $10 so far, and I've already acquired 31 email subscribers from this ad. It's been a great way to reach new audiences without having to do the work of creating a ton of new content in order to get in front of these people. So let me show you how easy it is to boost your website with Product Picker in Meta Business Suite. First, in Meta Business Suite, go to the Ads tab on the left side menu. Then select the Create Ad button in the top right corner to open up a product picker. Then select Choose a Goal, and then select the Get More Website Visitors option. Then you'll choose your ad creative. Meta Business Suite will automatically suggest an image and ad text, but you can replace them with your own choice of image, video, or slideshow and text. Next, you'll create your audience. Choose the demographics intended for this ad: location, age range, gender, and special interests. In addition to setting the conditions for people you want to target, there is also an automatic option called Detailed Targeting. This audience is based on your page details and will automatically adjust over time to reach more people who have interests related to your business. Next, you're going to select your budget and duration. Set how much you want to spend by clicking the drop-down below Daily Budget. Set the duration of the ad by selecting either the preset buttons or the calendar for a custom length of time. Next, if you have Facebook Pixel integrated into your web page and would like to use it for this promotion, toggle the switch below Tracking Conversions. Next, you'll select Placements, which allows you to place your ad on Facebook, Instagram, or Messenger. Then you'll confirm your payment information, and finally submit your ad by selecting Promote Now. You'll receive a notification when it's been approved and has gone live. And that's all there is to it. If you're ready to get started, be sure to check out the link in the description for more resources and let me know in the comments about your boosting results. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.